In a scathing denouncement, Zimbabwean opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa has unleashed a torrent of criticism against President Mnangagwa and his ruling party ZANU-PF, accusing them of turning a blind eye to corruption, fraud and nepotism that pervade the country's political landscape. Sana pina mashoko ategwa na Nelson Chamisa aiwa achiyapa na banyera kuti aiwa government ya ED Mnangagwa ignore corruption, not for subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Not na kuti panoda ilendera kanyogwa tichinzi. You are corrupt, incompetent. Nelson Chamisa boldly tells Mnangagwa. It's rottenness everywhere. Chamisa proclaimed in a statement that reverberated across the nation, highlighting the pervasive culture of corruption that has plagued Zimbabwean society for years. So now Nelson Chamisa anoita a statement that aiwa ED Mnangagwa and his government nyangwene association yabona na wiki lochiva it very corrupt. Noda kukuti isa a dumb eye, isa a dumb ear, isa a blind eye, but now corruption. Abakwanzi kufocus pa corruption kutono titoipedza sei. Do mashoko anoita advocate wa Nelson Chamisa achiti aiwa takuda change. Noda kukuti ED Mnangagwa aiwa he is very corrupt and incompetent and we are advocating for change. Toda kuti pauye vanhu vari nani. Mashoko a Nelson Chamisa awa chibotudze mafungiro enyu nokuipa musoro pemashoko ake. Pina comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, so ano subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.